Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely a good jolt of volume today too. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $1.23. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.23, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, in the event that level could not hold, is down there at the $1.17 mark. So $1.23, then $1.17, two of the near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying up above the levels up here at $1.23 or $1.17, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Well, the main level of resistance going forward is going to be a very famous moving average within the world of charts, and that is on my chart being denoted by the pink line there, and that is the 200-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very surface deep basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. Not saying it can't be broken or anything like that, but historically speaking, and there is a self-fulfilling prophecy element that goes with it. Usually the price really needs to bring its A game if in order to break above that level and then stay up above it. All in all, though, any way you look at the chart, very, very powerful move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.